in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys Dubrovnik's best beach club. This is Copacabana, and it has everything you need, from amazing sushi, drinks, beautiful water, clear skies today as well, and more. You've got water sports here, you've got an inflatable water park, jet skis, and so many fun things. This place quite literally has everything you need, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything that you can expect when you come to this beach club. So get ready for this incredible video and make sure you come check this place out. Good morning.
Mom.
From a beautiful sunny day
No.
in Dubrovnik. And my girlfriend's hiding from the camera because she has just woken up. And it is 11 a.m. but the sun is shining. Oh, we had such an early morning start yesterday, but what a beautiful day. Cannot wait to go out and explore. I like this look. This is cute.
Half asleep.
Yeah, the half asleep look. You look like a mermaid.
I'm a giant highlighter.
Where are we going?
To the beach club.
We're going to the beach club. You look very beachy with that hat.
Thank you. I thought I did well.
You did very well.
Yeah.
You did well.
Giving me desert vibes.
Desert vibes, all of the above. But we've ordered a Uber to take us over to the beach club. It's about a 5-minute drive, which is pretty convenient, but I would definitely say just get the Uber app because it's only €4 for a 5-minute drive or a 25-minute walk. And so that was quick and easy. Got a good little recommendation from the Uber driver as well. Gotta say, the people out here, very friendly, very accommodating, and I'm very excited for this.
So
Are
excited.
you?
Yeah.
Why are you excited? Because I saw a what?
A what?
We're getting on the inflatable water park defo. Baby,
Yeah.
don't be rough around the edges.
No job, just blow. I get it now. No job,
Yeah.
just blow.
Okay,
The wind
right.
makes sense now.
Yeah.
So, don't call me water, I won't call you a stranger. The sea. I feel free here. The Wi-Fi.
That's wicked.
Yeah, that's wicked.
Okay, that's a good one. I'm a bit slow because I've not had my morning coffee, with it being 1 p.m, but we're gonna relax here. What do you like to see, the gelato?
Just, I need all of it.
You need everyone?
Yeah, I'd eat that for breakfast. I might do. I'm going to. Do you know what we should do?
What should we do?
We should go around the whole of Dubrovnik and compare all the pistachios to find the best one.
Pistachio gelatos?
Yeah.
Just eat pistachio gelato.
Yeah,
all
I'll
day.
go home and be a big fat pistachio. And I'm okay with that.
Here it definitely feels like a vibe. There's a great beach, great, amount of sunbeds for you guys to just come hang out and chill here. But I'm really liking the look of these cabanas and gazebos. We've actually hired one, so if you guys want to do that, you can use the link in the video description below and check out this place. You get a much more exclusive kind of experience over this side, which is where we're heading. But of course, there is just the normal beach just over there where you can just throw your towels down. You're setting up our gazebo.
Yeah.
I've got to say, it looks unreal.
So
It
good.
actually looks sick. This is honestly amazing. We've got this gazebo to ourselves for the day. You can actually hire these on a rental basis, or you can book it on a voucher basis. So you do like a minimum spend and you can use that towards your food, your activities, because there's loads of water sports here as well, and lots of other good stuff like massages. Just plenty of things that we're going to be getting involved in today. Jenny's favorite job of the day.
I love doing this.
You love doing
It's
this.
the perks of being your girlfriend. I get to do these things.
I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining at all. Find yourself a girlfriend that does all this for you. Arranges the gazebo. Oh my man, thank you Kiki. Thanks man. Cheers. Exactly what I needed.
Happy guy now.
Very happy guy. Nice.
So nice.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
What a beautiful way to start our day here at Copacabana Beach Club. We've got lots of lovely fresh fruit, which are delicious. Amazing sun. It's just such a vibe in this gazebo. What would you call this? Cabana? This is a cabana. This is an actual cabana.
In the Copacabana.
We're in the cabana at Copacabana. Amazing. We've got water park over there as well. The sun is shining. The service is great. For lunch, we've got some sushi, which I'm really, really excited about. And just when we were getting hungry, look at what showed up. A massive platter. We've got an amazing selection of sushi here. If you guys don't know, Dubrovnik is very, very famous for its fish cuisine, obviously because of the water that we're by. And Jenny loves her fish, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, she doesn't eat anything fish. But there is some duck gyoza, vegetable gyozas as well, the little parcel things. You love the little parcels.
I do like the parcels.
How are these parcels?
These parcels are delicious.
Are they delicious?
I've had 2 duck ones. I'm going to try a veggie one
Try
now.
the veggie one? Oh yeah, is that yummy? Is that super yummy? I can't vouch for it. I'm not able to try any of the parcels because that's all she's got food-wise. But we have got some tempura prawns. Unreal, so good. Yeah. Woo! Thank you so much. Cheers. Cheers. What does it taste of?
Ginger ale.
Yes, it does
Tastes
a
like
little
ginger
bit.
Ale.
It's interesting. It's unique.
Alcoholic ginger ale.
I like
is
it.
what I like.
Oh, I've got to say, this is unreal. We've got this alcoholic ginger ale, would you call it?
Yeah.
It is amazing. Sparkling, alcoholic, exactly what we need on a beautiful sunny day like today, whilst we're enjoying this amazing sushi with this amazing view as well in front of us. Gotta say, this is the spot right here. Essentials for swimming in Dubrovnik are, what do you call these? Shoe socks, pebble feet.
Sea slippers.
Sea slippers. You like your sea flippers?
Yeah,
Why?
my sea shoes.
How can you love them?
Because normally this is me, like crabbing my way in.
Yeah.
And
With
now-
these, you don't have to worry about it.
No, I really enjoy them.
If there's anything you're going to bring to be prepared for your trip to Croatia, just make sure it is this footwear because, as you can see, it's full of rocks and full of pebbles at all the beaches, and this will just make your experience far, far nicer. Having so much fun today at Copacabana. Are you not?
Yeah.
It's so fun here. I've got to say, guys, if you want that kind of beach club experience where you're just relaxing, taking in the sun, getting a great tan, getting a little bit tipsy as well, this is the place to come. Obviously, there are various different options. There are cabanas, gazebos, there are just sun lounges if you don't want to spend too much. But what is it time for?
Put your hand up if you want to get in the sea.
I don't want to get in the sea right now. Well, I do want to get in the sea.
You do. You've been on about it all day.
know.
Oh, look at the water sports. Look at the water. Look at the jet ski.
I do want to do some water sports, and they've got that option here. But first, she needs ice cream.
I need ice cream.
She
when
needs
you
sugar.
want a jet ski.
Okay, so we'll go and do both of those things. Does that sound good?
Fine.
What do you want?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. What flavour are we going to go for?
I want something chocolatey, nutty, hazelnutty, but green.
Pistachio.
Yeah.
What have you seen? A Chanel chair.
Chanel chair.
Okay, go on. Do what you want to do,
I
which
need
is
to
sit in it. Go and sit in it then.
Do you not think it's so Pinterest?
It's so you. It's just literally got your name written all over
I
it.
can't sit on it because there's people.
Oh,
We'll do it before we leave.
what, that chair there.
Yeah.
We've just walked along the beach with Kiki, our man who's looking after us today, and we have found what Jenny's been looking for all day long. And what is that?
Ice cream.
Many different flavours. Voila.
Oh wow.
Thank you.
Yes, boom.
Cheers. Bosh.
Immediately I'm more awake.
You've just literally perked up. As quick as that.
Woo.
You just needed a sugar rush.
Yeah.
And this is the solution. Unfortunately, it looks as though it is a bit wavy and windy, so the weather's not really permitting us to use the jet skis and all the other sporting activities like the kayaks, stand-up paddleboard,
Yeah.
which is
look
annoying.
At that
I
bobbing in
really
the
want
ocean.
to. I really want to. These guys over there, they're having a nightmare.
Why do
on
I
that
feel
kayak.
like everyone's told you no, but still you persist? Like I know you're going to be on there in 5 minutes.
You're so right.
I know. Boys are so misbehaving. Boys are so mischievous. If you said to any woman, oh no, we don't advise it, it's too choppy, don't go on that, they'd be like, okay, never mind. A guy's just thinking, how can I get around this? Because I'm going.
And that is exactly what I'm thinking right now. I'm like,
you are.
those jet skis, calling my name. I need to be on one. That was so much fun. I'm not even gonna lie, like, I think you were a better driver than I was. You were far better than I was. That honestly was so much fun. It was choppy, it was very, very wavy, but still an amazing, amazing experience. And it's great the fact that they have all of these water sports here on site right at the Copacabana Beach Club. There's so many other things that we could have done, but of course, it was super choppy. So I didn't feel fully confident Jenny did though.
I loved it.
You were great.
I love going fast.
You
it's
like
fun.
it, yeah.
It's fun. Felt like Tomb Raider.
You felt like Tomb Raider.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I just felt like I was getting people.
You felt like a superhero, saving the day.
Yeah, I was going on a mission somewhere to do something.
You were definitely going somewhere. I had a lot of fun doing that.
Me too.
I have been having so much fun today, literally just diving in the water, refreshing off on this boiling hot day. I've just been dying to do this. Oh, there's just something so nice about the water. When the sun's setting, sun's going down, you've got that beautiful orange glow. So fun. So we have decided to stick around for the sunset here at the beach, and it is absolutely beautiful. You've got an amazing view of the sun setting, the sun going down. Is this not glorious?
I like that word.
It's glorious, isn't it?
Glorious.
Look at that sunset. This might be one of the best sunsets.
Yeah.
I keep saying that every time I see them. Every time I see a sunset, I'm like so tempted to say this is the best one. The sky is lit up. Like,
it feels similar to Thailand.
It does feel similar to Thailand with the pastel colors, the purple hues, the pink hues. It's glowing. The sky is on fire right now. It looks unbelievable. What do you want to do now? Are you hungry, sweetie?
I'd love to go and eat.
I'm hungry, so I think that's what we're going to do. We've had an amazing day today at Copacabana. It's been an incredible experience. Guys, you've got to come check this place out. If you want the best like lounge day, just relaxing, you've got a beach here, you've got water sports, you've got great food, cocktails, music, everything, your own private bed, gazebo, just all the different things. That is what you're gonna get here. It is famous, and now we understand why this place is famous, because you come here, you're gonna have an amazing, amazing experience. So check this place out, undoubtedly. We've just got back to the hotel, and I'm noticing, with it being Monday night, that they actually have live music playing in the restaurant downstairs, which is so romantic. It's so beautiful. Obviously we ate at the restaurant yesterday, so we're going somewhere else tonight, but it is something to note that if you do stay here, Monday nights there is live music, and it looks unreal. It is dinner time, and we have come to Bistro 49. It's a proper vibe in here. We've got some amazing cocktails. It's a really, really cool place. Vibey, music's a bit louder.
I think it's like homely but vibey at the same time.
Yeah. I've ordered a fish bruschetta, which is absolutely delicious. Jenny's got some tacos. We're going with the Mexican theme. The main course has arrived. I've got a risotto with truffle in it, of course. I love truffle risotto. Got an amazing burger. Jenny's got some teriyaki wok chicken, like we're back in Thailand. If you want to watch the Thailand series, by the way, click on that card up there, unreal. That burger, oh my god, hit the spot. Unbelievable. And there you guys have it. That was amazing. Really, really good fun, and a great way to end the evening and to end this video, I guess. That is a shame. But really, really good food, great vibe in there. You guys have got to check it out. The food was hearty, comfort food.
The burger was great.
Burger was amazing. But that is where I'm gonna end this one. So if you have enjoyed it, hit that like button and the subscribe. Check out these other videos, and I'll see you guys
in the next one.